Hey guys, I am very tired, but it's an exciting day because I'm driving down into Oregon and I'm going to tour some tiny homes. I have been calling in a tiny home into my life for the last year. I have been making videos about it. I have had it as my phone screen background for a little mini vision board. I'm not saying that I'm necessarily purchasing the ones that I'm looking at today. My dad feels the need to supervise my purchasing because he does know how to negotiate. They are a little above the price range I was originally gonna look at, but I love them. Anyway, enough talking. That is them.
Which one's yours?
Well, these are the two that I'm looking at. This one's the used one, and this one is not used, and it is
Mountain Peak.
this one. Yeah, this one's decked out though. This could be my future home.
Lou.
Hi, Lou.
Well, we got a handful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the Denali.
Woo!
This thing has it all.
Quite spacious.
Here's run a 10 power in this one.
This is actually pretty spacious.
It's a big one. Well, it's the 9.5.
Yeah, this.
So we were building all 8.5ers for years and years.
This has a bathtub, and this
That's
can fit a washer dryer right here.
It's got the plumbing back there for washer dryer.
But a single.
It's one of those single unit jobs. They build them for RVs and use a lot of them in Europe. So they do both. This has got a lot of custom stuff in it. I don't like it, so it's gonna come out. It's actually a fireplace.
Oh, this.
Go on up. Get a little bit of space.
You retail them all yourself? You have it,
We built.
You don't distribute them at all?
Outside of River. And I've got one house up there now. We had a location in Roseville for a couple of years. Pull the legs all the way up.
Okay.
So it stops. There you go. Now you got it. With it all over. Those are some big shoes.
Yep.
Girl. We sent to Hawaii every month pretty much. I said I've been doing this since 2014. I come from the factory housing. Yeah.
I did.
Yeah, yeah. And then we get. This is a really popular house, you know that.
Yeah, I do.
Pre-loved. We built it in 2019.
Not bad.
But after we took it in trade, we basically redid it, revamped it, replaced all the appliances except for the
They
water.
didn't use
I like the backsplash.
And set it for a washer dryer inside that cabinet.
In here?
And then we added a ribbon staircase in here. So this is a drop axle unit. So this is one of the houses that's a little bit lower. But what it does is it gives us the ability to do a taller ceiling. So you've got 51 inches of head space up there.
width on these ones?
This one's less.
It is a now.
Most of them aren't 9 feet, right?
No.
Like that's,
Yeah,
not normal.
Yeah, we're going. The 9.5 really gives you 8. Your button's getting caught there. I didn't do it.
I'm the youngest.
It's a girl.
The youngest.
Yeah.
The problem child.
There you go. I get it.
Yeah, I really need a second loft for an office space.
You know what? That is the most popular way to go. The 2 lofts. And
Yeah.
if you want me to put a cabinet up there, something has to go off.
We're down in that.
Or down up. Where we start.
This one?
That's it.
Okay.
That's it. Now we're still in process.
Lou, you're pretty young guy, aren't you? Hold it.
I hiked half hill in Yosemite.
Oh my gosh. You guys, I came here today with my dad telling me to keep it cool, don't act too interested. We aren't gonna make any moves today, and we're still not solidified, but I am standing in right now what very likely will be my tiny home, my tiny house. It's not fully finished, it's brand new, so they're still completing it, but it has all of the things that I want. It has washer and dryer hookup, it has a full kitchen, it has full bathtub, shower, double lofts, extra high ceilings, 28 feet long. This living room can fit an entire like full-size L-shaped couch and be a full-on functioning, normal-sized, relatively normal-sized living room. We got the loft up there for my office. We got the loft up there for my bedroom, the like semi-spiral staircase. Also, red door. I feel like colorful doors just give a house a lot of character. So again, it's not set in stone, but I will say that the price point is higher than I think my dad would have originally wanted me to go. I knew the price point, but I didn't want to tell him because I was like, he might not even want to go with me if I tell him the price up front. It's, I think, reasonable for buying what is a home. I will say it's a 6-figure purchase, and we'll be doing financing. Lou, shout out to Lou. If all goes well, I'll definitely be promoting you a lot because I love your work. They built all of this. Everything's handcrafted. Like this staircase is handcrafted. The design, everything. And when you think about it though, a 6-figure purchase for a home is not bad, especially when it's this nice. It's under warranty. Like monthly payments for financing are gonna be way less than rent. Yes, it will have to be paid off over time, but when it comes down to it, it's actually saving money on the lifestyle. So yeah, my dad was just asking questions about like how long until it would be done, what do I need to prepare for it. We're gonna talk to the bank and get the right financing, and yeah, they're just discussing all the things. So again, they still have to finish the build on this. It's mostly finished, but they have a few more weeks to go, and it'll probably take a month or two for us to prepare the property to be able to put the tiny home on it. But this manifestation is happening, you guys. You guys, can we take a second and look at my phone screen background? Like, look. It has the white, the wood floors, the double lofts. And again, the white and the wood, I feel like manifestation, phone screen, vision board, background, manifestation, success. I feel like I'm not even making sense. I mean, it probably would make sense to give you a tour, but once I have this, I will do a empty tiny home tour and show you all the things. But this video is just about the excitement and the fact that it's happening. I was not expecting this today. Wow. So get ready for all of the tiny home, tiny living content. I hope you're excited because this is the next level.